By 2050, the office you know today may not exist.
Every desk here once belonged to a person.
Now, only machines remain.
Somewhere, a man still shows up to work.
Beside him, a machine does it better. AI won't just assist you, Kemeny. It will replace you. And deep down, everyone knows it.
The numbers already tell the story.
Experts predict nearly 40% of jobs could disappear. That future is closer than you think.
It starts with the simplest tasks. Data entry, writing, coding. Machines already do it faster.
And they never get tired. Even the roads are changing.
Drivers are becoming a memory. No hands, no hesitation, no fear.
Just precision.
Even medicine isn't safe from change.
AI can diagnose disease in seconds.
Faster than any human ever could. No second opinion needed. But not everything can be replaced.
Creativity still belongs to us.
Your technique is statistically inefficient, yet the result is intriguing.
It's something machines can only imitate. Empathy, leadership, connection.
These remain human.
So where does that leave us?
Somewhere between fear and hope.
The future isn't about fighting AI.
It's about adapting to it.
Those who adapt will thrive.
Those who resist may be left behind.
The choice is already being made. Not by us, Tygand, but around us.
Every single day.
The question is no longer if change comes, but how ready you are for it.
"2050 isn't far away."
It's already being built. One decision at a time.
Will your job survive? Or will you be the one who adapts first?
The answer depends on what you do next. Because the future doesn't wait.
It's already arriving.
And you deserve to understand it.
That's exactly what we do here.
We break down the future before it breaks you.
Every video, every insight, every truth. Made to keep you ahead.
Not behind.
2050 is coming, whether we're ready or not.
The only question is who gets left behind. And who gets ahead of it.
Subscribe now.
Because the truth about 2050 starts here. With us.
See you in the future.